If you're experiencing a verification pending status on Checkpoint 2026, follow these steps to resolve the issue quickly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device has a stable internet connection. A weak or intermittent connection can prevent verification processes from completing. Step 2. Restart the device. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SR to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Update software. Make sure that your Checkpoint 2026 is running the latest software version. Navigate to the Updates section in the settings and install any available updates, as these may contain fixes for verification issues. Step 4. Clear cache. Access the Settings menu and locate the option to clear the device's cache. This can help remove any corrupted data that might be interfering with the verification process. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Checkpoint support for further assistance. They can provide specialized help and troubleshoot the problem more effectively. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the verification pending issue on your Checkpoint 2026. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek professional support.